Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to add collections in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Products. From the drop-down options right under it, click on Collections. In the top right corner of the screen, click the Add Collection button. Click inside the title box and give your category a clear name. Right below that, you can use the description box to add a short summary of what is inside this category. Next, look at the collection type section. You have two options here, manual or smart. If you choose manual, you will have to handpick and add each product to this category yourself. If you choose smart, you can set specific rules and Shopify will instantly add any matching items for you. The easiest condition to use is setting the product title to contain a specific word. Shopify will instantly look at your titles and pull in any item that includes that keyword. This option is incredibly useful if you have a lot of products in your shop, as it saves you from having to manually sort through hundreds of items every time you launch something new. Now, look at the right side of the screen and click Add Image to upload a high-quality cover photo that represents this category. Once you are done, look at the top right corner and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add collections in Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.